Okay, next is a Google message by Dr. Anthony Richards, directed to the Antigua, the Barbados and Antigua community. Dr. Richards, please. Dr. Richard.
Greetings, everybody.
Okay.
This is Anthony Richards, and here is my mother, Hilda Richards. We are speaking to you from Antigua and Barbuda in the Eastern Caribbean. And we are representing the people from the tiny islands who were forced here into slavery, into freedom, and who are desperately seeking to know our roots. I also speak for the community of the people of Barbados where I work, and we had hoped to bring you a presentation of our culture. Unfortunately, we had some personal difficulties, and we hope to join you again next year. Now, we want you to know that our scholars at the University of the West Indies have been trying to connect our cultures. They've put together the dictionary of Caribbean English usage. And in the dictionary, they've put where different words and different proverbs have come from. Professor Alsop at the University of the West Indies tells us that the reason that we call our country Barbados, BIM, the Barbadians call Barbados BIM among themselves, may well be from the Igbo, Ibem, my house, right? You need to tell us if that's correct. And then even when we speak the English language, professors tell us that we have translated Igbo phrases into English in our everyday language. So when somebody is greedy, we says that they have big eyes, you know.
Yeah. Anyuku is big eyes.
Greed.
That's right. Yeah. When we cry, we don't talk of tears. We talk of eye water, right? And yes.
Yeah. That's Igbo. That's Igbo word.
Yes. My grandmother never said the word cocoyam, right? For she always called the plant Ede. Although it is Edos in the English book, she called it Ede, and nobody could change it. That's my grandmother. That's her mother over here. Some people believe that our national dance comes from the Igbo land or from the Delta, and we will show it to you next time, I promise, right? So my specialty these days is to look at what messages the plants that we use, the games that we play, the food that we eat, tell us about our roots. We play that game with the seeds, with the seeds that you drop into different holes, and it is our national game here, right?
Next. So
in Antigua and Barbuda. I think you call it a cho. Many of the plants that we use might have uses that we brought here from Igbo land. For example, this plant here, I chose to show you today. It, in Igbo land, we are told that it represents the leopard, the majesty of the leopard, right? Ebube, Agu. Agu. And we are told that you let people have a bath in the juice of this plant when they are given a special position of authority to help protect them. Like if a person was to become a policeman or a soldier, his mother would make sure that he was bathed in a bath that had this. And I have to tell you that right now, the house that I'm sitting in is surrounded by this plant as protection. and decoration. And this is true of many old houses in the Caribbean and even modern houses in the Caribbean. This is a modern house. And so through the clues that the plants give us, we are seeking our roots. I want to wish everybody, especially the people who receive their names today, God's richest blessings and the power and majesty of the leopard. Your Excellency, Your Majesty, right, Egwes, and in the Ozo, right? Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.